This is going to be a short video where we go over how you can claim your Monad token airdrop. If you don't know already, Monad is a new layer 1 blockchain. You can think of it as Ethereum, but it runs much faster and it's much cheaper. And it's one of the most anticipated launches by far this year for their Monad token. So they've raised $19 million led by Dragonfly back in February of 2023 and Series A in April 2024, which was a raise of $225 million led by Paradigm. So they have their claim site live right now and they're doing something pretty interesting with it. So on their Twitter, you can see that you can click on this link to reveal your Monad allocation. So you basically click on the link, enter that URL, and after that it would look like something like this. You click on the sign in button and now you have to connect a primary wallet, and keep in mind this is where all of your Monad airdrop tokens are going to be airdropped, and then it looks something like this. You can connect up to 8 EVM wallets, 8 Solana wallets, your Twitter account, your email, Discord, Telegram, and Barcaster. So if you want to connect more than 8 wallets, you can disconnect the ones that aren't eligible and then connect more wallets to see if they are. And you can also create more accounts by connecting other primary wallets, which is this right here in the top right corner. So once you connect all the wallets, the accounts and everything, and you know what's eligible and what's not, you'd be able to click this button which says reveal early and then confirm, which brings you to a page like this where you can open these boxes. And this is a 3-day event, so you get to open 9 boxes in total, I think, because the first and the second days were 3 boxes, and also on the third day I think there will be 3 boxes. So yeah, basically you just click on these boxes to reveal your allocation. The first day was pretty dope for almost everyone, and the second day it was absolutely rubbish, and I'm expecting the third day to do pretty well. Right now, at the time of recording this, a couple hours later I'll be able to open this. So yeah, that means this event has already started, so you better get to work and check all of your wallets. And let's see if my prediction that the first day giving you a sweet dopamine hit, and then on the second day giving you a crash of oh my god, what the hell, is making you think like, whoa, what the fuck just happened. And on the third day they'll just smash all of your expectations. I think that's how it's gonna go, but let's just see. And yeah, based on the number of wallets and the accounts that are eligible, there are 6 tiers for this airdrop, which basically says how much your airdrop. So the lowest is the participation award and the highest is the community last tier. We don't know, although this was kind of the estimates of how much these tiers had the allocations for the day one, but this is not the final allocation, of course. So right now the pre-markets on Hyperliquid, the hyper market is pricing Monad at 0.055. So you can take this price and see how much your airdrop might be worth. And all the remaining details like the TGE, the tokenomics, everything has yet to be announced. So yeah, just subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll post shots regarding those updates. But if you want faster updates and exclusive strategies, go join the Telegram channel. First link down in the description right below the like button.